Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Ansible. In this video, we'll see how Ansible works. So Ansible is connecting to remote server using SSH connection, then complete our required task on our remote node, or you can say server. Like we have n number of servers. Like here you can see I have 3 servers. So suppose this server name remote server 1, remote server 2, and remote server 3. So we are not installing any software on your remote server to work with them using Ansible. So that's why Ansible is called Agentless. So a concept comes where you install Ansible. So this node is called Ansible controller node. So if you see this diagram, so this one is called Ansible controller node, and where we manage the remote server, that is called Ansible manage node or Ansible remote node. So for best practices, we need 3 nodes server, for one for Ansible controller and 2 for manage node. And make sure that port 22 is open on node server, as Ansible communicate with manage node using SSH for that port. 22 must be opened. Now Ansible uses SSH connector to connection to work with the remote server, and Ansible follow push model and agentless architecture. So question come, what is push model? So if you want to execute any task or remote server using Ansible, then Ansible is copying or pushing a small program to remote server based on your task. So that's why it is called push model. So in the next video, we'll see how we'll use Ubuntu, or I'm using CentOS to do setup using WSL for Ansible controller node. So Ansible controller node. So what is Ansible controller node? So Ansible controller node is used to run tasks, uh, to run required operation on remote nodes. You can use any machine with Python installed as Ansible controller node. So in the next video, we'll see how we can do installation. So that's all from this video. See you in the another video.